afternoon. So it's day 10 of our 30-day challenge. Yay, we're 1/3 to the finish line. And it's also the 12th of June 2024. So it is Democracy Day in Nigeria. And so we're going to sing the Nigerian national anthem. The new one. That was the old one. That's not the new one. Yes, that one. We're going to sing it. And I'm going to sing it slow and enunciate so you can get the words and learn it if you haven't already. Right? Okay, let's do this. Nigeria, we hail thee, our own, their native land. Though tribe and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. Nigerians old and proud to serve our sovereign motherland. Our flag shall be a symbol that truth and justice reign. In peace or battle honored, and this we count as gain. To hand unto our children a banner without stain. O God of all creation, grant this our one request. Help us to build a nation where no man is oppressed. And so with peace and plenty, Nigeria may be blessed. I love the last line, last two lines. And so with peace and plenty, Nigeria may be blessed. Amen.